Favorite song, I Believe I Can Fly. Who believes he can fly or they can fly? Right? What a beautiful song. Kasi nandito mo yan eh. If you cannot believe it, you can already not do it. Tama ba? So, wala hong imposible. And sabi nga nila, there are no failures, there are only lessons. Tama ba? No. So, for every, downfall, or humps or bumps, all you can do is pick up the lessons you've learned there and make a better you after that. Tama ba? And of course, nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo dahil nandito kayo. Again, napakaganda po ng opportunity na to. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga doctors natin. I love you guys, Dr. Ron. I can't take you off my mind. Every time I think of you, I really thank God that, you inspire me. Dr. Arlia, Dr. Cara, and of course, Dr. Luis, And there's another doctor who will be here today. And, we cannot underestimate the knowledge of these people. Ang ganda ho na mangyayari sa company ito. This is more than just an MLM company that you can think of. Okay? We are going to lead the hormone health wellness, in the wellness industry. Today I was, guys, I spoke. You meet good people in the smoking area, but don't copy me, Only pick up the good things, not the bad things. And mga trans health